Hello, and thank you for joining me for this quick installation video for the Go Zone Indicators and the Go Zone ATB Expert Advisor Program. My name is Ron Myers. I'm one of the founders of Go Zone Trading. Our goal is to simplify trading by giving you the strategies and tools needed to make trading as easy as possible. That being said, let's get into this video so you can learn how to install the tools you need. Before we get started, please take a moment and pause this video and read our disclosure. This video is for educational purposes only. Please be aware that past performances do not guarantee future results. Okay, our first step is to install the ATBI indicator. After downloading the files from the email that was sent to you from Go Zone Trading, you're going to go to your file folders. You're going to go to Downloads. You're going to scroll down to where it says Go Zone ATBI. You're going to highlight it and right-click it. You're going to copy that file. You're going to close this out. Then you're going to go to the file folder on your MT4. Click on it, File, then go to Open Data Folder. That will open. And you go to MQL4, double click the indicators, double click that, and go over to any spot, right click and hit paste. And there the Go Zone ATBI is installed. That off and go to your indicator list. And you see that Go Zone ATBI is not there. So just right click where it says indicator, refresh, and it should be there. And there it is. So you do the exact same thing with the lock levels and with the Go Zone countdown timer as well. Okay, to install the Go Zone automated trading bot, same process as before. After you've downloaded it from the email that was sent to you, you want to click on your files. You want to go to Downloads. You'll find the Go Zone ATB. Highlight it, then right click, copy it, close this out, go to File, Open Data Folder, go to MQL4, double click it. Instead of going to Indicators, we're going to go to Experts. We're going to double click that, and we're going to right click and hit Paste. And there it is. Close this out. Go to Expert Advisors, right click it, and hit Refresh. And there it is. Now you have the tools you need installed on your MT4 platform. Please use these tools on a demo account before you risk real capital. Like any skilled carpenter, the more you use a tool, the more your skill level will increase. If you have any questions, please email us at contact@gozonetrading.com. Until next time, have a great stress-free trading day. Thank you.